A robot just outperformed human surgeons in a peer-reviewed trial across dozens of hospitals. Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci 5 cut post-operative complications by 21% in colorectal procedures, deployed in over 400 hospitals globally. Inside Amazon's fulfillment centers, humanoid robots called Digit are stowing orders 25% faster than the machines they replaced. Waymo is completing 150,000 paid driverless rides every week across San Francisco, Phoenix, and Los Angeles, triple its 2024 volume. Amazon has quietly signaled it expects to hire no one to replace the 1.5 million warehouse workers it loses to attrition over 4 years. In surgery, the clinical question has shifted. It is no longer whether robots are safe, but whether hospitals can justify not using them. Meanwhile, Cruise is grounded. Waymo's parent Alphabet is absorbing the losses as one operator consolidates an entire market. Each Da Vinci installation costs $2.5 million, locking rural and public hospitals out of the standard of care elite centers now offer. One number defines the stakes: a 21% outcome gap, not between countries, but between zip codes inside the same nation. Physical AI is crossing thresholds faster than the rules governing it. Watch closely. The decisions being made right now are not reversible. This is for information only. Always verify with trusted sources.